quiet moments of your devotion, does it ever feel like your efforts go unseen? What if the lightest act of kindness could tip the scales of the divine? If a single moment of grace could illuminate your entire being, and every whispered prayer began to accumulate into a monument of light? A new feature is coming, one that illuminates your every good deed, your daily Quran, your zikr, your prayers. Each one adds real, visible weight to your scale. This is the Sawab screen. It's not just tracking, it's transformation. Prepare to make your deeds count. Islam Encyclo. Download now.